Let's discuss sixth question in exercise 13.2. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeters and base diameter is 24 centimeters. Okay, this is the one iron pole in the shape of cylinder, given cylinder height and diameter, which is surmounted by another cylinder. It is surmounted by another cylinder. Height is 60 centimeter and radius is 8 centimeters. First one is the big cylinder surmounted by another cylinder. Second one is a small cylinder compared to first one. Okay, so above part is small cylinder, below one is big cylinder. Find the mass of the pole. Here find the mass of the pole, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 grams of mass. It means this is the density of iron pole. Okay, this is the density of iron. So first draw the figure. This is the iron pole. Height of the big cylinder is 220 centimeters and given diameter of the big cylinder is 24 centimeters. So radius of the big cylinder equal to 24 by 2, diameter by 2, which is equal to 12 centimeter, and small cylinder height is 60 centimeters. Small cylinder height HS, big cylinder height is HB. This is the here radius of big cylinder is RB and radius of small cylinder is RS. Okay, here we have to find the mass of the pole. Mass we know, here given density of iron equal to 8 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so what is the relation between density and mass? Density equal to mass by volume. So we want mass. So mass equal to density into volume. Okay, so first find the volume of electric pole. So volume of solid, volume of solid iron pole equal to volume of big cylinder plus volume of small cylinder. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Here R, big cylinder RB HB plus volume of small cylinder is pi into RS square H S square. Here RS is the radius of small cylinder and HS is the height of the small cylinder. Pi is common. Radius of the big one is 12 square. Height is 220 plus RS is 8 centimeters. HS is 60. Pi value 22 by 7. 12 square is 144 into 220 plus 8 square is 64 into 60. 144 into 220. 144 into 22. 8, 16 13680 plus 64 into 6, 3840 into 22 by 7, 13,680 plus 3,840. See, 144 into 220, 2 plus 8, 10, 1, this is 11. So this value equal to 22 by 7 into 15520. Okay, 22 into 15,520. 31040 0444143. Sorry, this value 144 into 220, 2 plus 1 is 3, 31,680 plus 31,680 plus 3840, 0 12 14 15 5. This is 35,520 into 22 into 22. 0 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10 plus 1 11, 2 3 is 6, 1 7, 7 1 0 4 0, 0 4 4 1 8 7, which is equal to 7 8 1 4 4 0. Okay, by 7, 7 ones, 7 ones, 7 6 3 4.5. Approximately this value equal to 111,111,634.5 centimeter square. Here we have to find the mass. Mass equal to density into volume. Density is given 8 gram per centimeter cube. Volume is, we got 111,634.5 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube cancel, 8 into this value, which is equal to approximately 89306 4.4 grams. In kgs, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams, 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kgs. So in place of grams we can write 1 by 1000 kgs. 89306 4.4 into 1 by 1000. In denominator 3 zeros. So point moves to 3 places, which is equal to 893 kgs approximately. Okay, therefore volume of solid, mass of the solid equal to 893 kgs.